Here we are. You can see that in the background. There's Garden State Tile right there. Now when you come to this location here, you're going to have to park in the street. You pay the meter over here, and then you can go in the store. So this is located in Princeton, right on Route 27 right here. Give you a quick 360 here. So that's what you got. Run through here, the store, basically right in the city of Princeton here. Got this beautiful church here. Garden State is right there, right across the street. Beautiful stuff here. Got the hex on the floor. This is very popular these days. Niches are just, everyone wants to have a niche. They got bull nose going around here. Nice glass shelf. Mosaic waterfall style band going vertically. Pretty tight joints. These are about a 16th. Then your subway tile. I like this pattern too. This is actually about a 25% offset staggered. Really cool stuff here. Got the pseudo profile on the edge here. I believe that's a Ron deck. That's round. It's really nice having niches. So imagine this shower in your home. I mean, you can't beat it. You can actually do it like this too. Have the front open. Now there will be some water splash here. Let's say this, if this was your house, we can tile this whole area over here. Waterproof that. Waterproof the whole floor. That way you can take a shower out of doors. Now I would not put the shower head over here because it will splash like crazy. I'll probably put it over here. Over here, facing down this way. Nice glass. Nice clean install there. Got the plain tile over here. This is very popular these days. This is a big one too. This looks like about a 12 by 48. Nice backsplash over here. This is a really unique type tile. Couldn't even tell you the name of that one. But that is nice. Got your nice 24. This I would say 24 by 24 is rectified. You want to hear? I got some hardwood over here. Ignore that one. Nice porcelain tile over here. Tight joints. I mean, very tight. 12 by 24, and this is your common tile these days. I mean, it's pretty much like your 12 by 12 nowadays, like it was back then. Got your about 4 by 12 subway style tile on the walls there for nice backsplash with a floating vanity. I mean, that's awesome. And you got your tub here. Really nice design on this one. Looks like a 12 by 24 on the walls here. Maybe a 12 by 20, a little bit shorter. Nice little pencil for the trim there. Really nice polar deep soaking tub here. Porcelain mosaic, like kind of mural, centerpiece here. Got your chair rail going around. Really nice way to trim it out. Miter the corners. Got your corner shelf there, corner shelf there. And that's what they look like. It's made by Quest Tech corner shelves. They actually slope too, so when you install them as an installer, just make sure they're level. They slope from there to there, and you have this piece in the center there to get out any excess water. Nice herringbone over here. This is getting popular these days, it's plant tile.